Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd share another recipe today with you. And today we're gonna make a more healthy version of a pancake. It's gonna be, instead of using flour, like white flour, we're gonna use oats. And we're gonna make oats pretty much into a flour ourselves and just make a healthier version of a pancake without any additional sugars. And then we're just gonna put some smoked salmon in there and some mascarpone cheese and just a few veggies. So first I'm going to show you how to make the actual pancake, then we're going to fry it together and then put it all together. This is a really good dish to have even for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, really doesn't matter. You can make one pancake for each person if you have some guests over. It's just a very tasty, interesting pancake. So to start, I'll show you what we need to make the actual pancake mixture. So you're going to need just any kind of milk you have. So 3%, 2%, you can probably even use like lactose-free milk or any kind of milk. You're just gonna need some salt. I just use Himalayan pink salt. You can use regular salt. This one just has more minerals, so I really only cook with this kind of salt. Just one egg, any kind of egg, organic, regular, doesn't matter. Now you will need these kind of oats. Make sure they're not those quick dissolving oats. These have to be long cook, like whole oats, just like these. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take these and you're gonna put them in some sort of a blender that you have, and you're gonna mix them until they're pretty much like flour, but you don't have to make it very fine. The flour can have a little bit of like pieces in it of the oats, that's fine. So you're just gonna blend it to make it into sort of this flour, and then you can just use it. So here's what we're going to do. We're gonna make one pancake today, so I'll show you exactly what you need to just make one pancake. So we're gonna start by taking one egg, just break it into the bowl. We're gonna go ahead, and mix it with a fork. Just add a little bit of salt, just a dash. That's all you need. Then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of this oats that you made. So just like that, 1 and 2. That's all we need. Then we're gonna go ahead, take some milk. So I'm using 2% regular milk and just 3 tablespoons. Okay. So this is all you need to create the pancake mixture. All we're gonna do is just with a fork, just mix it together. And really what you wanna do is let it stand for 3-5 minutes, just so some of these pieces of oats that are left in the flour will kind of become more soft from the milk. So just mix it really well, make sure it is all combined. And let it stand a little bit. So once it stands for a little bit, I'll be back to show you how to just fry the pancake, and then we're gonna put it all together. Okay everyone, now that I'm back, you just want to take a frying pan. I use my favorite frying pan Rock by Heritage. So all you want to do is you want to warm it up to pretty much your high setting on the stovetop, except like mine goes 8 and then high, so I don't put it on high, I put it on number 8. I let it really get hot. Then what I use is I use avocado oil spray, just so I don't put too much butter, because like I said, we're trying to make this pancake pretty healthy. So I'm just gonna spray my pan just like that. And really what you want to do now is, now that I feel like it's hot, I'm just gonna put it to 6 so it doesn't burn. So before you're putting it on, just mix it again. So you're just gonna dump this whole thing in here. Just kind of skimmer it around to make sure that there's not much holes. And then we're just gonna wait for it to cook. Once you feel like it has cooked on the bottom, we're just gonna flip it. So it's gonna take a few minutes as well, so I'll be back. Okay, so at this point, I just flip it. As you see, it's a little bit golden brown. That's what you want. And I'm just gonna cook on the other side for a little bit. Pretty much when the other side is also golden brown, it's ready. Okay, so now it's ready and we just put it on our plate. Okay, now the pancake is ready and I'm back to show you how to dress up the pancake. So I'm going to show you the ingredients you're going to need first. So you're going to need some black pepper, some capers, some smoked salmon, some red onion, which we're going to cut up with you, and some mascarpone cheese. So it's pretty much a cheese spread. And just some avocado oil. You can have one in a spray can or just in a regular bottle, doesn't really matter. Okay, so what you're gonna do first is we're gonna take this mascarpone and a butter knife. Just gonna take some of it and we're gonna put it on our pancake. Pretty much you just wanna spread it on the whole pancake. If you want a little bit less calories, you can just spread it on 1/2 of the pancake. Okay. After that, you want to take your smoked salmon and we just want to put it on 1/2 of the pancake. Like that. Okay. Then you're gonna take some of these capers and we're just gonna spread them out. They're very salty and taste a little bit like a pickle. So you just wanna spread as many as you like. I like just about that much. So the last thing you have to do is you have to cut up your red onion. So you want to go very, very thin. Or as thin as you can anyway. Okay, you just take some of this onion, just break it down and just put it like this. You can use red onion, regular onion, green onion, whatever onion you like, but it is nice to put some onion in here. Okay. So then what you're gonna do now is you're going to fold this half over, just like that. And then I just like to take a little bit of oil, just like that. Just spray it on top and just a little bit of black pepper. And then we take a little bit more of the capers, just for the serving purpose. I'm gonna just put it like this. Maybe a few is enough. Okay. And then what I like to do is I like to eat mine with either a salad or just with some fresh vegetables. There we go. So this is the pancake and I just cut up some wedges to eat with it. It's a very beautiful breakfast because it's still filling because of the mascarpone and the fact that you use an egg. But you also want some veggies for, extra health benefits. And I hope you enjoyed this dish. Try it out. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.